this is Kiara Causado with Premium Propiedades. Welcome to Santa Elena, a peaceful and exclusive area just outside Medellin. Today, I am thrilled to show you this property, an elegant and comfortable house to live with your family or for those looking for an escape from the city. Come with me. This property is set in a vast 3,725 square meters lot with 560 square meters of thoughtfully designed construction. Inside, you will find a warm and welcoming space with 3 large bedrooms, a bright living dining area, and a modern kitchen that's perfect for hosting family and friends. For families, this house offers plenty of room to grow and create lifelong memories. This home is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for a family looking for a spacious, secure, and elegant environment to call home. Also, because it's so close to Medellin, it's perfect to have a weekend getaway where you can relax and recharge with your loved ones while staying close to the city amenities. The amenities in this house are exclusive. Imagine having your own jacuzzi, enjoying the swim room with a beautiful view of the place, or also just enjoying with your family or friends in the outdoor spaces. The beautifully landscaped garden is perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the peace and quiet of nature. Plus, you will love picking fresh fruit from your own trees. This is the perfect place to come and live with your family or simply enjoy the weekends outside of the city. Contact me and I'm going to give you a tour of this house. I'll be happy to help you to become this place your home. Also, subscribe to the channel, give like, and share with anyone who is looking for this property in Colombia.